Hi guys, welcome to US Educate Academy. Thanks for connecting with us. In this video, we are going to run through what is studypool.com and how it serves us and what are the ways to earn money in studypool.com. And before we get into the video, please subscribe US Educate Academy YouTube channel. Now let's jump into it. Studypool.com is a website which connects students and teachers in a virtual platform. Like in this website, we can post questions or we can answer questions based on lots of subjects such as business, humanities, mathematics, programming, science, writing, health and medical, economics, engineering, computer science, etc. And you can post and ask 24 into 7 hours study help from the verified tutors, and this website has over 20 million study documents from notebooks. And the featured subjects like maths, we can post questions, we can get answers, and we can answer some questions, and we can share some documents and earn money online. And this website serves as a connector and a mediator between a teacher and a student. And this is a highly qualified website where it provides documents like this. And so as you guys can see, this document has an interactive title named Revise Simulations, and the content type is user generated, and subject is statistics, and school GVU, and the type is homework, and this is rated by 5-star. And this document is locked because I haven't sign up for this website. So now I'm gonna proceed with the process of sign up to this website. I mean creating an account. Click on sign up, and you can sign up using Google or Facebook account. Now I'm gonna sign up using Google account. Now I'm gonna select an account. Click on I agree to the Studypool's terms of service. I agree. Click on I agree. You can upload your image from here and enter your school name, and you can enter your name and click on continue. This will sign up you to this account. So soon after, when you click continue, this page will open. It says homework Q&A, and this section of this website explains how this website works. You can post a question, you can connect with tutors, you can explain and answer some questions, and click on continue. And this website provides bank facilities, and this shows some featured ones, and you click done. As you guys can see, now I have successfully created studypool.com account, and now I can post a question, and you should log in to the account which you created already. You can log in and proceed, ask questions and answer questions, and provide note banks and earn money online without any investment. So that's it for this video. Please like, share and subscribe US Educate Academy for more videos. See you in the next one.